many of you know how difficult it is to get your child to brush their teeth well, daily, and independently? I know it's an overall theme we all can relate to. I know because I have a daughter who has special needs. She's 26 and she still struggles to brush her teeth well. Maybe too much in one area, not enough in another. Can't quite get the plaque at the gum line. So I get it, we all understand this. Well, let me introduce you to something that has been a game changer for us, and its name is Samba. Total game changer when it comes to toothbrushing and oral health for our kids. It's easy to use. I am so excited to tell you about it. We've been given the opportunity to try this out for the past few months. I love this. And it was voted one of Time Magazine's best inventions of 2023. And we have with us Aran Ayel, who is head of the Samba project. So hi Aran, can you tell us a little bit about Samba and why it was invented?
Yes, absolutely. Samba, as you said, is a toothbrush that was specifically designed to allow people with disabilities to brush their teeth regardless of whatever disability they have. The difficulty that many people have with moving their hand, doing the gentle motoric movement is very difficult, and basically Samba does everything for them. It's an Israeli invention developed for 8 years and is being sold now in the US by Robotic, a Swiss brand which operates in 92 countries.
And like I said, we have been given the chance to use this, so I need to tell you that whole thing about an aggressive brusher, because I will share quickly, this is an actual toothbrush of Elizabeth prior to Samba. Too much pressure hurts the gums, and this is gone with this. It's done, taken out of the equation. They simply cannot put too much pressure. I absolutely love it. And all that her teeth get cleaned. There isn't a worry whether it's the top or the bottom, every one of them. And the brush stops automatically, so there's no issue of did she do it long enough? And independence, she can do it, and you're correct. One button, it's so very easy to use. Easy to change the brush heads, they're available on your site, and it just sits in the charger base, ready to go. So it's so easy. Now here comes the important part. What have we seen since she's used it? We have seen that all her teeth are clean, that the plaque is diminished, her gums are looking healthy. The dentist concurs with our last visit where he said, yes, the plaque is better at the gum line. And you know what? She loves it and she can use it independently. And I know this is for ages 13 and up, so that whole independence piece is a huge gift to them when they can do things. We love it. She uses it every day. And I will tell you to go to samba.us to order yours, and you can use promo code PSN10 to get 10% off. And then you can start seeing the benefits that Samba brings, which again are so many. So thank you, Aran, for being here and for sharing about this amazing product that really is going to help so many.